Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. And the factory reset could be useful if you want to, for example, give the watch away to somebody, sell it to somebody. Maybe you want to try to fix the watch, but that's like a last resort thing, because if you factory reset the watch, it will remove all of your settings and data from your watch, so be aware of that. Another use case could be if you want to pair the watch with another device, but you can pair it without factory resetting the watch. So the factory reset is only useful, like really useful, if you want to sell the watch or give it away to somebody and you don't want them to have access to your data, basically. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. So first we need to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Then scroll through the menu, find the watch settings option and tap on it. In settings, find the option called the system and select it. And here find the option called restore and reset. And right here, look for the reset option and tap on it. And the reset menu, you will have a lot of options. As you can see, you have reset default settings. This one resets only settings to default, so you could try that if you want to fix something, and hopefully that will solve your problems. And if you want to reset the watch completely, delete data and reset settings, you select this option, then press the check mark or start button to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete, which will take, I don't know, maybe 10-15 seconds. Or maybe a bit longer, depending on the watch, usually. Okay, and the factory reset is complete. Because you can see the list of languages, that means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And see you in the next one.